truly understand that it is very difficult for someone who might have even learned it to help them know that you have to practice it every day so that it would be beneficial for you.
It's not, see, if you want a solid body, you cannot just have a gym membership. That will not help.
Right, right. That's a good analogy.
So doing an art of living course is brilliant. It's a fantastic start, but you have to continue and practice if you really want to see the benefit of it. The practice is very simple. 20 minutes, half an hour a day, you sit, you close your eyes and you breathe. What more? It cannot get simpler than that.
That's
Simpler, and cannot get more pleasurable also. It is not a, it is not like for example the gym where you have to go and work out and things pain and all. It's not like that. This is such a beautiful, relaxing, gentle, serene, yet such a potent, powerful technique.
whenever we tell these things to anyone, they always have a defensive answer that I get a lot of thoughts every time. I'm not able to sit at one place.
Of course. Where have you trained yourself to do it? See, there is one basic truth in life. You become better and better at what you do more and more.
That's right.
You look at a person who
At
plays the
everything.
piano. You look at a person who makes cakes. You look at anybody who has been doing something for a long time. Why are they so good at it? Because they have been doing it for a long time. Right? Now, if you look at how you have trained your brain, how you have trained your mind, you are doing social media, duck, 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 duck. Your attention span is not more than 5 seconds. You are watching TV, you are surfing channels. Your attention span is what, 5, 10, 15 seconds. You have trained your brain to be distracted. How do you expect to be able to sit and have no thoughts whatsoever in the first time? That's like saying I will go to the gym and lift the 300 kilo dumbbells on the first day. How are you going to do it? Not going to happen, man. You will have to start, baby. You will have to start with the 2 kilos and see whether you can lift that.
That's that's right. And adding to that, this was the first set of people who I met who were telling me these things, and then I see another set of people, and I'm equally guilty of that. That whenever we sit to meditate, and I guess this happens maybe in the first month or the first 2 3 months, you start to seeing some kind of visions, and after maybe 4 months or 6 months, those visions go away. Maybe
Right?
it could be of any god form of a vision, and then they go away. Then what do you have to say about that?
Your consciousness is maturing, nothing else.
Hmm. Means it's a good sign.
It's a very good sign.
That's true.
And
So
you can even smell something, you may see something, you may be able to hear, some people hear some divine music, all sorts of things happen. And it will come and go. It will not be okay. 4 months it has happened, then it may stop happening for some time. Then again it might come back. Then again it might stop happening. It's a process that you are going. You are culturing your mind. You are elevating your consciousness, and sometimes you get glimpses of how it would be in that elevated consciousness. That's all. No, nothing to. It's a station on the journey. Enjoy it.
that's right. That's right. It's
Have your butter on the train. It's like that.
enjoy the ride.